This is among the daily scenes in Vancouver's downtown east side. BC's NDP government was bombarded with concerns, including public drug consumption and even using and selling illicit drugs in hospital hallways. Now advocates for drug users are warning BC's abrupt change to its landmark pilot project could exacerbate the opioid crisis.
The request of the federal government is essentially recriminalization of the possession or use of illicit drugs in public spaces, period.
This means police will soon be able to seize drugs if people are using in public spaces or to arrest them in exceptional circumstances.
I say resolutely that we have to look at this as a healthcare crisis, of looking at all the tools that we need.
Petra Schultz is testifying before the Standing Committee on Health in Ottawa on the eve of the 10-year anniversary of her son's fentanyl overdose death.
Decriminalization is really designed to take police out of the lives of people who use drugs and ensure it's seen as a health issue and treated as a health issue.
To get a job was next. People weren't going to hire me.
Guy Felicella is a harm reduction expert in Vancouver who struggled with addiction for decades, including dozens of drug-related convictions. He says recriminalization will not be successful.
Anybody that I talked to from my past, even policing, judges, they would say that, you know, obviously this didn't change anything for Guy, putting him in prison.
They say the focus should be on prioritizing harm reduction and access to treatment rather than punitive measures which further marginalize those already struggling.
Indigenous people are disproportionately affected by drug poisoning.
As Toronto Public Health awaits Health Canada's review of its application to decriminalize personal drug possession, Ontario Premier Doug Ford says the application should be dropped.
Reinvest into treatment centers, into health, mental health and addiction. That's what we should be doing, not legalizing hard drugs.
BC's move comes after Oregon approved a state law recriminalizing drug possession. The new law makes possession of small drug amounts a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail. Neetu Garcha, Global News, Vancouver.